Kalabaz monkey most likely refers to Kalua, an alcoholic monkey from India that was sentenced to life in solitary confinement in a zoo for attacking hundreds of people. The name Kalabaz might be a misinterpretation of Kalua or a reference to the calavirus from the movie 12 Monkeys, which has a similar sound. Kalabaz itself can also mean a skilled or agile person in Hindi, which could be a descriptive, albeit erroneous, link to the infamous Monkey Man of Delhi urban legend. Kalua, the drunk monkey background. Kalua was a pet of an occultist who reportedly fed him alcohol. Rampage. After his owner died, Kalua became aggressive, going on a rampage and injuring about 250 people, with one fatality. Sentence. He was caught and transferred to Kanpur Zoo, where he was deemed too dangerous to be released among other animals, and was sentenced to a lifetime of solitary confinement. Other potential meanings: calavirus. This deadly fictional virus from the movie 12 Monkeys sounds similar to Kalabaz and is a possible source of confusion. Monkey Man of Delhi. This 2001 urban legend described a mysterious creature that attacked people in Delhi. The word Kalabaz can mean skillful or nimble in Hindi, which might be a descriptive link. Black and white colobus monkey. The term Kalabaz or Calabaz could be a misinterpretation of calabash, as in black and white calabash monkey, a species of monkey found in Africa. The term Kalabaz monkey does not refer to a specific, recognized biological species of monkey. The name Kalabaz is likely a local or colloquial term, possibly derived from a language where it describes a behavior, e.g., an acrobat or a tumbler, or it could be a misunderstanding or a nickname. Generally, the diet and lifestyle of monkeys vary widely depending on their actual species and native habitat, which can range from tropical rainforests to savannas. General monkey diet. Most monkeys are omnivores and opportunistic eaters, primarily consuming a plant-based diet supplemented with animal matter. Their diet typically consists of fruits, a primary food source for many species, leaves, especially young tender leaves. Colobus monkeys specialize in this. Seeds, nuts, and flowers. Insects and other small animal prey. Frogs, lizards, birds' eggs. Monkeys in the wild do not naturally eat bananas as their primary food. Cultivated bananas are often too high in sugar for their regular diet. General monkey lifestyle. Monkeys live in diverse social structures and habitats across Africa, Asia, and Central and South America. Habitat. They are found in tropical rainforests, woodlands, savannas, and even mountainous regions. Many species are arboreal, live in trees, while others are terrestrial, live on the ground. Social life. Most monkeys are highly social and live in groups called troops, which can range in size from a few individuals to 50 or more. These groups often have complex social hierarchies. Daily activities. Monkeys spend their days foraging for food, socializing, and resting. Social bonding through grooming is an important behavior. Tool use. Some intelligent species, such as capuchins and crab-eating macaques, have been observed using tools like rocks to crack nuts or sticks to retrieve insects. Kalabaz. The untold story of Kalua the monkey. Roots of a rebel. Kalua wasn't born in chaos. He was born into a troop, a family, on the border between wilderness and the expanding city. Wildlife biologist. Interview. Monkeys like Kalua aren't inherently aggressive. They're problem solvers. They're survivors. And when their home shrinks, they adapt. As cities grew, the forest fell, and Kalua's world suddenly had fewer branches and far more rooftops. Local resident. Interview. We used to see him as a little one. Quick, fearless, always jumping. We'd give him fruit, bananas, peanuts. He trusted us. Kalua's acrobatics dazzled the neighborhood. He could vault 10 feet in a single leap, swing from cables like a trained performer, and navigate narrow ledges with impossible precision. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you. Let's continue. Local elder. We called him Kalabaz. He was like a circus performer, but wild, free. But freedom comes at a price. especially when it depends on human kindness. Somewhere along Kalua's journey, something changed. What was once playful curiosity turned into unpredictable aggression. Local shopkeeper. He didn't want fruit anymore. He wanted to snatch things. He was angry. Rumors flooded the streets. Someone fed him alcohol. Someone hurt him. He saw another monkey killed. He was trained, then abandoned. No one could confirm the truth, but everyone felt the tension. Wildlife expert. Trauma in an animal doesn't look like trauma in a human. It looks like fear. It looks like aggression. Children being rushed indoors. Residents peering from behind doors. A story grows fast in a crowded neighborhood, and soon Kalua wasn't just a monkey. He was a threat. Animal control officer. We had complaints daily. We tried to guide people, but fear had taken over. And fear, once ignited, demands resolution. Captivity. Sanctuary gates open. Sound becomes quiet, somber. Kalua was captured by animal control, not to be punished, but to prevent a tragedy. Veterinarian interview. When Kalua arrived, he was stressed, dehydrated, underweight. His behavior suggested trauma, not malice. Inside the zoo facility, he was placed under observation. No longer the acrobat on open rooftops, but a displaced creature learning a new world. Zookeeper. He didn't understand boundaries. He didn't understand why he was confined. Outside the sanctuary walls, his story became a spectacle. Memes, exaggerated news. Kalua became entertainment, not a living being. But behind the noise, Kalua wasn't a villain. He was an animal caught between two worlds, neither of which he fully chose. Kalua's story is a single thread in a far larger tapestry, a crisis unfolding across India. Urban ecologist. These animals aren't becoming aggressive, they're becoming desperate. Coexistence has become conflict. Limited resources, overcrowded cities, shrinking habitats, and animals pushed to the margins. Every nuisance monkey case is born from human expansion. Every clash is the result of overlapping worlds. Local resident. We blame Kalua, but the truth is, we created the situation. Kalua became a symbol, a reminder of the delicate balance between survival and misunderstanding. Today, Kalua lives out his days in sanctuary care. He is no longer the daring Kalabaz of his youth, but he carries the same spark. Quiet, watchful, resolute. When we speak softly, he listens. When we offer him food, he reaches gently. He's calmer now, but you can still see he remembers. Not a monster, not a menace, just a monkey. With a story shaped by human, Kalua's life reminds us that every creature, from the smallest sparrow to the fiercest tiger, seeks only what we all seek, a place to belong, and a world that understands. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you. Continue. Kalua, an alcoholic monkey from Mirzapur, India, is widely reported to have injured over 250 people and reportedly caused the death of at least one person, though some reports mention several children were maimed and killed. The monkey's aggressive behavior was attributed to being routinely fed hard liquor by its former owner, a local occultist. After the owner's death, Kalua became a menace in the area, attacking people, particularly women and children. Following its capture, Kalua was taken to the Kanpur Zoo, where zoologists confirmed its alcoholism and anger management issues, noting a refusal to eat vegetables and attacks on female zookeepers. It was eventually decided that the monkey should live in a cage at the zoo for the rest of its life. Kalabaz monkey most likely refers to Kalua, an alcoholic monkey from India that was sentenced to life in solitary confinement in a zoo for attacking hundreds of people. The name Kalabaz might be a misinterpretation of Kalua or a reference to the Kala virus from the movie 12 Monkeys, which has a similar sound. Kalabaz itself can also mean a skilled or agile person in Hindi, which could be a descriptive, albeit erroneous, link to the infamous Monkey Man of Delhi urban legend. Kalua, the drunk monkey. Background. Kalua was a pet of an occultist who reportedly fed him alcohol. Rampage. After his owner died, Kalua became aggressive, going on a rampage and injuring about 250 people, with one fatality. Sentence. He was caught and transferred to Kanpur Zoo, where he was deemed too dangerous to be released among other animals, and was sentenced to a lifetime of solitary confinement. Other potential meanings. Calavirus, this deadly fictional virus from the movie 12 Monkeys, sounds similar to Calabaz and is a possible source of confusion. Monkey Man of Delhi. This 2001 urban legend described a mysterious creature that attacked people in Delhi. The word Calabaz can mean skillful or nimble in Hindi, which might be a descriptive link. Black and white colobus monkey. The term Calabaz or Calabaz could be a misinterpretation of calabash, as in black and white calabash monkey, a species of monkey found in Africa. It is a widely held philosophical and ecological perspective that all life on Earth, including humans and animals, is interconnected and must coexist within shared ecosystems. This balance is crucial for maintaining the biodiversity and natural processes that support life on the planet. The concept of coexistence manifests in several key ways. Biodiversity and ecosystem health. A rich variety of species is essential for resilient ecosystems. Animals play critical roles in pollination, seed dispersal, nutrient cycling, and pest control, which in turn support the plant life and agricultural systems that humans rely upon. Shared resources. Humans and animals often depend on the same fundamental resources: clean air, clean water, and habitable land. Interconnectedness. Human actions, such as climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution, directly impact animal populations. Conversely, the health of animal populations often serves as an indicator of the overall environmental health that also affects human well-being. Many scientific and conservation organizations advocate for sustainable practices and conservation efforts that promote harmonious coexistence between all species.